We're going to check back in with Nick.
Good Tuesday morning. It is wash, rinse, and repeat type weather. Daily chances for scattered showers and storms. If you get caught in one, well, it's going to bring some pretty heavy rainfall, some thunder, some lightning. And gosh, we have been very wet over the last 5 to 7 days. Quite the contrast to much of the month of May. High view outside our studio this morning, looking back into the western and southwestern sky. We've had one of those showers move through just enough to wet the concrete. One thing you'll notice as you step outside though this morning is the humidity. It is 70 degrees right now. Dew points running into the upper 60s and lower 70s, and that is some muggy air. Showers and storms once again ramping up during the heat of the day. Our best chances will come from about lunchtime up to about 6, 7 o'clock this afternoon. I don't think it's anything at this point to cancel your plans over, but be prepared. We're going to have some scattered showers and storms out there. Heavy rain remains the biggest threat here through the afternoon hours, and scattered showers remain in the forecast through Wednesday and Thursday. Finally, by the end of the week, the rain chances will start to go down, but the heat is going to start to turn back up as well. But there you go this morning. There's the wet weather making its way through parts of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri as you start the day through parts of Mount Vernon over towards, say, Blueford right now, picking up on some light rain. Also over towards McLeansboro, seeing a shower move in right now, as well as across eastern parts of Franklin County. We've seen a few move through Saline County as well, and a few more now through Scott County and southeast Missouri, approaching Chaffee. Some of the heaviest rain right now in our entire region. So we are going to be dealing with these scattered showers and storms. Big area of low pressure. This thing has been camped out across parts of the Ozarks, southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas. And think of this like a bicycle wheel where you've got these spokes. And each time one of these rotates through around that area of low pressure, well, it fires off some showers and some thunderstorms. And that's one of the reasons we've been dealing with these multiple waves. Once again, as we head into the lunchtime hours, scattered showers and storms start to become more likely and really becoming likely later on this afternoon. I can't entirely rule out an isolated strong storm in some of our eastern counties late this afternoon and into the early evening hours, but the rain, the clouds, it keeps temperatures down once again, and similar to this morning, tomorrow morning likely still dealing with a few showers, and there you go into the heat of the day, those scattered showers and storms redeveloping Wednesday afternoon. Now today the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted southeastern Illinois, much of western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee in a level 1. Main threats are going to be strong winds with any of the stronger storms. Honestly, for most folks, it's likely going to be just some heavy rainfall and quite a bit of thunder and lightning. So today brings some of the highest rain chances of the week. 80% chance this afternoon. Rain chances start to go down by the end of this week, but notice the heat turning up by Friday, approaching 90 degrees once again. Of course, if you are out and about today, make sure you've got a way to get some warnings in case any of those are issued, and you get those notifications telling you that rain is moving your way. Great opportunity to have the Storm Track 3 app coming up this afternoon. Rain chances starting to go down by Friday. We'll see a bump back up on Saturday. It's actually a cold front cooling us down a few degrees towards the end of the weekend and into the first part of next week. It is a brief, short-lived cool down as we bounce back close to 90 by the end of next week.
All right. Thank you, Nick.